Hi everyone! We have results from the Feline Fluency Test, assessing people's ability to detect the intention of 14 different cat vocalizations. More than 200 people have taken the test. The average score was a 5.7. Correct identifications out of 14 meows. Scores ranged from 0 to 10. Men scored an average of 5.1 and women 6.0. We predicted that women and non-binary folks would perform better on the test, given that previous research suggests trends of higher attachment for those two groups with their cats, though your mileage may vary. One study also found that cats meow louder to men than to women. While women averaged higher scores than men in our assessment, men, women, and non-binary folks were present in the highest, moderate, and lowest scores. Also, please note, if you took the test on the first day, we had to make a correction in our coding scheme for a few of the meows. Your score was suppressed as a result of that and not included in our analysis. We thought that certain groups might correctly discern more meows, those who have owned a lot of cats, people who work with cats, and possibly individuals with certain neurodivergent identities. These hypotheses haven't been supported, with the exception of a slight positive correlation between number of cats over one's lifespan and correctly identifying the meows. However, it's early days. We only have about 200 responses at this point, so we are reserving judgment on whether or not those hypotheses might actually pan out. As many noted, this is a test that is a challenge without other cues. In everyday living, meows happen within visual context, such as a plaintive meow while standing next to an empty food bowl, and other clues when visual clues are not possible, including our knowledge of the cat that we live with. Auditory meows alone from a novel cat are tough for most of us to interpret. Feel free to find out how you do on this test in the link. You can adjust the volume control. There's no cost. It is quite a challenge. If you get a 0, you won't be alone. It's intended to be the ultimate auditory test for cat lovers. If you're one of the 9,000 people who have helped us with our cat color, personality, and intelligence research, thank you. We're eager to see what emerges from this interspecies communication research. Next week, July 23rd, I'll be visiting the San Francisco Public Library at 6 p.m. to talk about all of our research on orange cats, tabbies, Maine Coons, and every other cat color. The event is free and open to the public. So until next Thursday, stay kind and look to do good for cats everywhere.